What do you want?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Okay. Talaga lang After school, gusto mo palagi may McDonald's ka? McDonald's. Hi. Kumusta ang school mo? How was your school?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Why are you yelling?
I don't know.
I didn't buy you McDonald's if you yell me.
I want McDonald's.
Okay. Anong gusto mo sa McDonald's?
Chicken nugget, french fries, cheese, sour, chocolate milk.
You're not tired of eating McDonald's?
I don't know.
What do you mean I don't know?
I don't know.
You always eating McDonald's after school. So dito ako dumaan sa back road guys kasi ang daming stoplight doon sa main road. So magda-drive-thru na lang kami, hindi na kami bababa. Ayan, so dito ako pipila. Ang haba ng pila ng McDonald's guys Mga tao kasi tamad magluto, kaya naman yung iba walang time magluto.
Total is going to be 721, please.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, thank you.
Hi. Yeah.
Was it 6-piece Happy Meal, right?
Mm-hmm.
721? Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan na, nag-aantay na yung order namin. Hi. Can I have a straw, please?
What?
Straw? Thank you. Here's your McDonald's. Yeah. And your chocolate milk. You drop it?
No, I didn't drop it.
Okay. Ayun, nakabili na kami ng McDonald's. Uwi na kami. Major traffic. Oh,
We have 3 red boxes.
it's okay. Yung Happy Meal guys, 7.21. So, meron na siyang chicken nugget na 6 na piraso. Meron siyang fries, tsaka chocolate milk. Tapos, meron din siyang toys. At dahil meron akong app, meron na akong libreng price. Every time na bibili ka, meron kang libreng price. Pero limit per day. Yan. So, araw-araw, pag bumibili ka, meron kang libreng price. O, diba? Laking bagay din yon. Tapos, pag gumawa ka naman guys ng survey, so pag bumili ka ng isang sandwich, meron kang isang libre. Ayan. Yan. Sobrang tirik ang araw, pero sobrang lamig yan. Come on, Mr. McDonald.
Mr. McDonald?
Yes.